Now, in front of Chris and I here today, we've got the brand new 18-volt hedge pole from Bosch. Now, as you can see, it is a cordless tool. We've got a battery sat there. Now, cordless is the future of gardening tools, Chris, but why is that the case?
That's right. Well, traditionally you only had two other options, which would be a corded machine, but then you need to run a cord, and you obviously need a fixed power supply, and then the other one would be petrol, but you've got to consider things like carrying fuel, and then you've got to worry about fuel and maintaining the motor.
I'd argue that probably one main point that people will worry about when using battery tools is the runtime of these tools. So first, let's start with what is the runtime? How long will people be expecting to use this for before you need to recharge?
If you're going to run this on a standard Bosch 4-amp hour battery, you can get up to 75 minutes of runtime, and I think that's plenty for most people out there.
Yeah, I mean,
if you need more, you can just get a larger capacity battery, easy. And this machine will run on any of our 18-volt lithium-ion batteries.
Perfect. Okay, so on to the actual specs of the tool itself. Telescopic, how long is it going?
Yeah, that's probably the main feature that we want to focus on, is the fact that obviously the machine in its smallest configuration is 2 meters. However, you can extend the machine via just a simple clasp here and extend it up to a maximum working length of 3.5 meters. The advantage of a telescopic version, as opposed to one with additional poles that you have to add, is you can infinitely adjust in between that 2 meters to 3.5 meters working length. So you can just have it there and then lock it off.
Okay.
If you want less than that, you can bring it back, and it means you don't have to have additional accessories such as the extension bar with you.
Yeah, I presume probably people watching this at home, a concern with a telescopic pole pruner will be, or pole hedge trimmer rather, will be, is it flexing? If I'm using it at its maximum length, I'm trying to reach up high, is it flexing?
Not at all. If you try this in person, you'll see that even at that maximum length, the machine is nice and sturdy, so you don't have to worry about that at all.
Okay, weight-wise, I know when I was picking it up, it doesn't feel heavy either. I think is it 4.5 kilograms,
yeah,
something
right.
along those lines. So that is, you won't be feeling fatigue.
Not at all, and also because you obviously have the motor here and the battery almost like a counterweight at the back, there's no drive shaft, so it's just electrically driven with the cables through the middle. The motor and the battery really counterbalance. So even when you're working at length for a long period of time, maybe up to 75 minutes on that 4-amp hour battery, you're not going to get tired.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so onto the end then. Now these are diamond ground blades, so that, correct me if I'm wrong, that means they're just super, super sharp.
That's right, yes.
But what happens if when you're using it, you come across a big branch, maybe it's a knot in a branch, it's some tough material that traditionally might jam?
That's right, yeah. Well, the machine has a tooth spacing of 23.5 millimeters, but if you do come across something that's maybe a little bit too large for the tooth spacing, or as you said, like a knot or something particularly hard, then the machine actually has a Bosch patented ABS system, which is our anti-blocking system. That will detect the jam and will automatically kick the machine back into reverse, and then it will proceed to do a chopping motion, and that will cut through whatever material you've come across. And the best thing is that's fully automatic. You don't need to even take your hands off.
Yeah, so you won't even need to come at it again or anything. That will just keep doing it.
You probably won't even notice it doing it. You'll hear a small sound, ch-ch, and then it will carry on going through.
Nice. Now, obviously with blades this sharp, safety is going to be really important, but I can see here we've got some blunt bits at the end here. So what am I looking at with this?
Yeah, those are front guides to help obviously guide the material into the blades, but also because these parts are, or the shorter that part of the blade is closest to you, we add those as an extra level of protection. The machine itself also has a 2-stage switch, so you can't accidentally activate the machine. You obviously need to engage the safety triggers before the machine starts up.
Nice. And then when it comes to actually cutting a hedge, obviously if you're working up, maybe you're working down as well. What are we looking at with regards to how much movement we've got in the head here?
Of course, yeah. As you would expect, what we can do is we can adjust the head angle. So we've got 120 degrees. So if you're working low to the ground or on the side of the hedge, or if you want to work on the top of the hedge, then you can fully adjust that to across the top. Okay, no tools needed, simple button press, and then you can angle that to your desired angle and start your job.
Yeah, I mean, really, this does have it all. 18-volt, cordless freedom, and with all these features, I don't really know why you buy anything else. This is the brand new 18-volt cordless hedge pole from Bosch, and it's available right now at its.co.uk.